Regarding heart, the pattern question is the border and surfaces. How many surfaces in the heart? There are sternocostal surface, left surface, then diaphragmatic surface, posterior surface, on the posterior surface or base, and the apex. So apex, base, sternocostal surface, left surface, and the diaphragmatic surface. How many borders? Superior border, inferior border, the left border, and the right border and the left border. And what is its extension? The right border is from the superior vena cava opening to the inferior vena cava opening, and the inferior border from the inferior vena cava up to the apex. Left border from the apex to the left auricle, and superior border from the left auricle to the right. The examiner will ask, what forms the apex of heart? It is formed only by the left ventricle. What is apex beat? Apex beat is the maximum cardiac impulse. Maximum cardiac impulse, and which is felt 9 centimeter lateral to the mid-sternal line, just medial to the mid-clavicular line. The examiner may ask, what is the branches of the ascending aorta? It is to left coronary artery and the right coronary artery. And what are the branches of arch of aorta? It is 3. That is the brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery. Don't say right brachiocephalic. It is only brachiocephalic artery. Examiner may ask, what is transverse sinus and what is oblique sinus? These are nothing but the pericardial sinus, and pericardial sinus is the cuff-like space, cuff-like, like our sleeves, cuff-like a space which is nothing but the continuation of the visceral and the parietal layer of the serous pericardium. And just memorize one mnemonic: ovary. That is, the pericardial sinuses are two: the oblique sinus and the transverse sinus. Oblique sinus is towards the venous end, the continuation of visceral and the parietal serous pericardium at the venous end is the oblique sinus, and transverse sinus is nothing but the continuation of visceral and the parietal layer of serous pericardium at the arterial end, ta and ovi. So ovary. Okay.